fancy headdress contest. Winner will get to marry Chief's lovely daughter. Oh, boy, Chief's lovely daughter. But holy smoke, there ain't no more feathers left around reservation.
You can say that again, Buster.
Shut up, you dumb bird.
Hiya, feller. Which way to Crazy Running Bear Campground?
Oh, I live there. You turn left next wigwam and... Hey, you got nice feathers, eh?
you like 'em?
Yeah, I like 'em.
Well, I'll be seeing you.
With Woodpecker's feathers, I could win contest. What happened?
I got to admit, I do have beautiful feathers.
This good old Indian trick. Snare work every time. When Snare catch Woodpecker, it throw him in air, and I catch him right here.
Uh-oh, the old Indian snare trick. I better spring it before someone gets caught.
Watch me catch dumb Woodpecker. Here he comes. Grumble, grumble, grumble.
Sounds like a powwow. I think I'll take it in.
I got a Woodpecker under my drum. I need them feathers and I'm gonna get some. Grumble, 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 grumble.
Guess I'll take a nap.
Grumble, grumble.
I think that crazy Indian is trying to scalp me. Uh-oh. Hey, Buster, are you following me?
Yeah. Ow! Hey, where'd he go?
What have I done?
Thank you, pale-faced friend. You saved my life.
That's all right. But you were trying to scalp me.
Well, all I want is fine feathers so I can win headdress contest and marry Chief's daughter.
Well, why didn't you say so? I'm the world's best headdress designer. I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
I hereby declare, what's his name here, the big winner in headdress contest. Now take it off and come get your grand prize. Are you ready? Yeah. Ta-da-da! Ooh, look at this. Oh, boy. And this.
Come back, Mother!
Go away!
Well, I lost the daughter, but I gained a woodpecker.